Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable and use always secure connection on your Google Chrome browser. So for this guys, first you need to update your browser. To update, click on three dots, go to help, go to about Google Chrome. So from here you can easily able to update your browser. Okay. After updating guys, now once again click on three dots, go to settings. In the settings, from the left panel click on privacy and security option like this, and in the right panel scroll down and find out security and open it, and then scroll down slightly. Here you can get the option always use secure connection. Just you need to enable this option to enable the secure and safe connection for your browser. So here you can also get some instruction. Use HTTPS whenever possible and get warned before loading site that don't support it. So in case if any website is not opening, not working on your browser, at that time you need to use the HTTPS to open the not opening website. Okay. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.